All right, here we go. We're going to do Poomsae Koryo, which is a first degree black belt form. I've got Miss Brown here, and we're going to walk you through it. And so we'll do it by my count, okay? So Kyungnae, bow. Good. How long should that take for you to bow? About 5 seconds, roughly, okay? All right, so Chumbi ready stance, Koryo. So that should take 4 counts up and then 4 counts out. So for a total of 8 seconds, okay? And notice the fingers are even with the eyes, her elbows are in close, feet are shoulder width apart. Okay, here we go. First move, ready? 1. Double knife hand. She's in a back stance. Good, her heels are in the same line. Good, and where should the tops of your fingers be? Okay, all right, and very good. Here we go, ready? Move number 2. Low high side kick. Outward chop. And then front punch. Long front stance. Next move. Move to a back stance. Now, this is the same exact stance that you were in before. Heels have to be in the same line. So you went from a long front stance. Go into your long front stance again, kid. Okay, so long front stance is a little bit wider stance. And you're going to close it up. So that means you have to move the right foot over slightly and back. Here we go. Next move, number 4. Double knife hand. Good. Here we go. Low high side kick. Outward chop, punch. Next move. Inward block. Ready? Next move. Downward chop, throat strike right in front of your neck. Good. Next move. Front kick, downward chop, throat strike. Next move. Front kick, downward chop, throat strike. And that's a key up there. Yeah. Go ahead. Okay, that's the wimpiest key up maybe in the history of Taekwondo. Okay, here we go. Next move, kick. You're going to grab and then break. Next move, you're going to step forward, turn around, and you're going to wedge block. Good. All right. From here, next move, you're going to front kick, grab, and then break. Next move, pull back, and then wedge block. Of course, that's going to be in a short front stance. Next move, you're going to leave your front foot there. Single knife hand block. You're in a horse stance. Good. Next move, you're going to punch. Next move, you're going to step in front, side kick, turn, and downward palm strike. The other hand, sorry, your right hand up a little bit higher. Okay, good. Long front stance. You're going to pull back, downward block. Good. Step forward, downward palm block. Right, even with your belly button. Short front stance. Next move, reinforce elbow strike in a horse stance. Notice that left hand is nice and straight. She doesn't curl it. Show me how to curl it around that fist. I don't want you to do that. Very good. Next move, single knife hand block. And go back to that again, huh? Okay. Now bring that hand underneath your elbow. Yes, and then single knife hand block. Good. We're still in the horse stance, so make sure you're not leaning. You're leaning a little bit. It almost looks like you're in a back stance. Good. And you're gonna punch. You leave that hand there, and then you're gonna step behind, pull the hands to your hips, side kick, long front stance. Lock that back leg. Good. And make sure that stance is wide enough. It looks a little narrow, so you might want to just slide it up. There we go. Pull back, down block. Step forward, downward palm block. Right at the navel or belly button. Step forward. Reinforce elbow strike. Good. Next move. Straight forward. Hands go up. She starts forming a fist with her left hand. Good. Right. Thumbs tucked in. Good fist right there. Nice. So now you're going to turn around. Outward chop. Downward chop. Let's do that again. Do the motion there. Do outward chop. Let's do that again. Outward chop, downward chop. Good. Step forward, inward chop, downward chop. Step forward, inward chop, downward chop. Step forward, throat strike and key up, and Badaro. Resume ready stance, and show. Very nice. And your fists are clenched when you are in ready stance. Good job.